Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Solana network to your MetaMask wallet. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You gotta get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your portfolio or MetaMask portfolio. And once you're in here, as you can see, we have Solana in here. Just click on it. Now wait for this pop-up and just click on connect. Okay, as you can see here, I already have my Phantom wallet connected. But if it asks you to connect your Solana wallet, you just go ahead and follow simple prompts. And once done, just hit on connect. Okay, wait for it to load. And once it loads, as you can see here, we now have another wallet icon in here. Just click on it. And as you can see, when I click on one, get started. As you can see, Solana is now available. All right, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.